Tomorrow, all the ministers and all MLAs, both the houses, upper house and the lower house, we are going to agitate against the government of India for injustice caused to Karnataka state by the 15th Finance Commission.
Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah clarified on February 5th ahead of the Karnataka Congress protest at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi on February 7th, stating that the protest targeted the perceived injustice towards the state rather than the BJP. He emphasized concerns regarding the reduction in tax devolution and grants in aid. Siddaramaiah highlighted the disparity between the significant increase in union budget size over the past 6 years and the lack of proportional growth in grants allocated to Karnataka. Despite the union government's budget nearly doubling from 21.46 lakh crore rupees in 2017 to 18 to 45.03 lakh crore rupees in 2023 to 24, the state's allocation remained relatively stagnant. He pointed out that while Karnataka contributes a substantial amount annually to the union in taxes, cesses, and surcharges, around 4.3 lakh crore rupees, its allotted share is disproportionately low at 50,275 crore rupees. Siddaramaiah underscored the imbalance, stating that for every 100 rupees collected in taxes, Karnataka receives only 12 or 13 rupees in return. The Chief Minister expressed concerns about the challenges faced by Karnataka due to reduced tax devolutions, estimating a loss of 45,000 crore rupees. He also noted projections indicating a reduction of 62,098 crore rupees in cash allocation for the state this year. Additionally, Siddaramaiah demanded funds release for addressing the drought situation in Karnataka and accused the opposition BJP of failing to advocate for the release of 1.87 lakh crore rupees.
Tomorrow, all the ministers and all MLAs, both the houses, upper house and the lower house, we are going to agitate against the government of India for injustice caused to Karnataka state by the 15th Finance Commission. In 14th Finance Commission, Karnataka state got about 4.71% of taxes, whereas in 15th Finance Commission, we got 3.64% of taxes. Because of this, we lost about 62,098 crores of taxes. 98,000, 98, 62,098, 62,098 ಕೋಟಿ 62098. And we have submitted a memorandum to the government of government of India, regarding the drought which is faced by government of Karnataka. This year, Karnataka state is facing a severe drought. About 35,000 crores we have crop losses. That is why we requested government of India to release 17,901 crore rupees from NDRF. After we submitted the memorandum to the government of India, the central team had come to Karnataka and visited drought affected areas. They have also submitted a report to government of India. So far, no meeting has been taken place by the Government of India to look into the report submitted by the central team. So far, you have not received a single pie from Government of India, from NDRF. As a matter of fact, the BJP opposition making allegations against Government of Karnataka that we have not paid anything towards crop compensation. As a matter of fact, we have released 2,000 rupees as first installment to every farmer who affected, 2,000 rupees as interim relief. It comes to 34 lakh farmers. 34 lakh farmers. About 650 crores rupees have been released. In addition to that, more than 800 crores are with the DCs to take relief works. So far as the drinking water is concerned and fodder is concerned, so far though there are 27 MPs are there in BJP, they have not opened their mouth either in the parliament or with the government. The ministers who are representing Karnataka in the NDA government, they have also not spoken to Amit Shah and also to Narendra Modi ji. So against all these injustices caused to Karnataka, we are agitating on 7th at Jantar Mantar of Delhi. So in which I request the BJP MPs also participate in the agitation, because it is not a struggle between the Congress and the BJP. Our agitation is not against BJP. It is against injustices caused to Karnataka state.
Subscribe to Daily Salah Digital for more such updates.